Hello everyone, welcome to this year's first Tech in Twos, a quick tech tip in under 2 minutes. This week's topic is attaching a file to your calendar event. Feeling a little bit all over the place? This tip will help you organize all the things you need for when you need them. So when you go to your Google Calendar, you have the ability to create an event and add a file as an attachment to that event. And when you click on the events, you can actually quickly go to the event, open it up. Oh, it's time for my 5 o'clock meeting. Here's my meeting agenda, and I'm ready to go. And so you don't have to go searching through emails or searching through your Drive for any documentation you might need for that particular event. So we're going to go ahead and start creating an event here. And let's say we'll call it a meeting here because I was just working on the agenda for this meeting that I'm going to be inviting people to. And if I scroll all the way down, there is a little paperclip. And if you hover, it says add attachment. I'm going to go ahead and select that. And you'll see you have the option to add any files from your Google Drive, but you can also upload non-Google files like PowerPoints, PDFs, things like that from your computer as well. And you can upload multiple files to a particular event. So it doesn't just have to be one. In my recent, I just finished this meeting agenda, so I'm going to go ahead and attach that there. Depending on your sharing settings of whatever file that you're choosing to attach, you may be prompted if you are sharing this event and inviting other people. So I'm going to add my other people who are attending this meeting. You might be prompted to change the sharing settings. So when I go to send an invitation to this guest, it's going to prompt up someone needs access to the file. If it doesn't prompt, then that means everyone should have access to that file through their calendar, at least view access. But this is also where I could change it to, I want everyone to be able to edit, or I want to turn link sharing on, or I don't want to give access. And if you choose this don't give access, that means that the people that you invited can view the file title, but they're not going to be able to actually open the document. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And again, it will just display on my calendar so that when I get to 5 o'clock and I go to my meeting, I can just open up my calendar, grab my meeting agenda, and I am ready to go.